The light in my room isn't working. Excuse me, can you help me please?
Of course. What's the problem?
The light in my room isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Which room are you in?
Room 214.
Room 214. Okay, let me check. Is it the main light or a lamp?
The main light, it's on the ceiling.
I see. Did it stop working suddenly, or was it flickering before?
It was fine this morning. Then I came back and tried the switch, but nothing happened.
That's strange. Did you try the switch more than once?
Yes, I tried it 5 or 6 times.
Okay, and are the other lights in the room working? The bathroom light, for example?
Yes, the bathroom light is fine. It's only the main light.
All right, that's helpful. It might just be the bulb.
I hope so. It's already dark outside and I need light to read.
I understand. Let me check what we can do.
Thank you.
We have a maintenance person, but he's fixing something in another room right now.
Oh no! How long will that take?
Maybe 30 minutes, maybe a little more.
That's a long time to wait in the dark.
You're right. Let me think of another option for you.
Okay.
We could move you to a different room while we fix the light.
Is there another room available tonight?
Yes, we have room 310. It's a similar size.
Is it the same price as my current room?
Yes, the price stays the same. There's no extra charge.
That sounds good. What floor is it on?
It's on the 3rd floor. Yours is on the 2nd floor.
Is the view similar?
It faces the garden, not the street. It's actually a bit quieter.
That's a nice change, actually.
So, would you like to move to room 310?
Yes, I think that's a good idea.
Great. I just need your key card for room 214, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. And here is your new key for room 310.
Thank you. Do I need to move my bags myself?
No, don't worry. Our staff can bring your bags up for you.
Oh, that's very kind. When can they do that?
They can do it right now if that's convenient for you.
Yes, that works for me.
Perfect. I'll call someone immediately.
Thank you so much.
While we wait, let me ask a few more questions about the room, if that's okay.
Sure, go ahead.
Did you notice any strange smell or sound before the light stopped working?
No, nothing like that. It just stopped suddenly.
Okay, that's good. It's probably just an electrical problem, not something dangerous.
That's a relief.
Yes, we'll send someone to check it tonight or early tomorrow morning.
And when it's fixed, can I move back to my old room?
If you'd like to, yes. Or you can stay in room 310 if you prefer it.
I'll decide tomorrow after I see the room.
That's perfectly fine.
By the way, is breakfast included with room 310 too?
Yes, breakfast is included with every room, so nothing changes there.
Good. I was worried about that.
No need to worry. Everything else stays exactly the same.
Okay, thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Ah, here comes our staff member with a cart for your bags.
Oh, that was fast.
Jack always works quickly.
Wait, your name is Jack too?
No, I'm Jack. He's Tom, our porter.
Ah, I see. I'm Molly, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Molly. Let's get your bags moved.
Sounds good.
Tom, could you please take Molly's bags to room 310?
There are only 2 bags, the black one and the small blue one.
Perfect. That's easy for him.
Should I go up with him or wait here?
You can go with him. The elevator is just around the corner.
Great. Which floor button do I press?
Press 3, and room 310 is the second door on the left.
Second door on the left. Got it.
If the door doesn't open with the key card, Just tap it again slowly.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Also, if you need extra towels or pillows in the new room, just call the front desk.
Thank you. I'll do that if I need anything.
Once the light in room 214 is fixed, I'll leave you a message at the front desk.
How will I know if there's a message?
There's a small light on your room phone. It blinks when there's a message.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. Is there anything else I can help with right now?
Actually, yes. What time does the restaurant close tonight?
It closes at 10:30, so you still have time.
Perfect. I might go there after I settle in.
Good idea. The food there is really good tonight.
What's the special today?
Grilled chicken with vegetables and also a pasta dish.
That sounds delicious. I might try the pasta.
I think you'll enjoy it.
Okay, I think I'm ready to go up now.
Great. Tom is waiting by the elevator with your bags.
Thank you for all your help, Jack.
You are very welcome, Molly. Enjoy your stay in room 310.
I will, and please let me know as soon as my old room is fixed.
Of course. I'll make sure to inform you first thing tomorrow.
Perfect. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy your dinner later.
I definitely will. Thanks again.
Anytime. Just call the front desk if you need anything else tonight.
I will. Good night, Jack.
Good night, Molly. Sleep well in your new room.